Hi guys, and today I want to share this pickled salad or a salted cabbage salad. It's really good. So today we're going to need some cabbage, bell peppers, garlic, carrot, water, salt, sugar, vinegar, oil, peppercorns, and some bay leaf. So first we are heating the water, throwing in the bay leaf and the peppercorns, and we're going to bring that to a boil with adding sugar and some salt. So once we bring that to a boil, we're just gonna keep boiling for about 10 minutes. It's to dissolve all the sugars and stuff. And then if you want also, you can throw in these cloves. It brings a really nice smell. So as you can see, started to boil, and then after 10 minutes, pour in the vinegar and the oil and turn off the heat. So it can just cool down now just a bit. And leaving that aside, we're chopping up our cabbage. So try to cut off all the hard pieces on there. Just throw it out. So that's how I do it. I just slice it about 2-inch long and about inch thick wide. So and then thinly slice. You kind of want to go thin on here. And then there's your garlic and the peppers, and everything's so beautifully, and everything's gorgeous. So, and then once everything's done with that, here's our carrots. I've grated that on a smaller, well, it's kind of like special made for a salad kind of thing. So if you can find one of these things, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it's like the carrot shredder thing. And then once we have all the beautiful colors, you want to remove all the bay leaves and a few peppercorns, just because you don't want a lot of it flowing, because all the taste is now in here. So remove some and then pour it over your salad. And then now all we gotta do is put some weight down. So find a plate that fits. Yeah, this one didn't quite fit, so I'm gonna use a different plate, smaller one. And then you want to put some weight down so you have the juice on top rather than some vegetables, you know. So everything is immersed in the water. And then refrigerate overnight best. Thank you so much for